Hello everyone, we are team Eternal and this is our DApp demo. So to enter the website, first we click on create where the tattoo artist will get to create the NFTs. We can mint the NFTs using either Mintbase or Rarible. So first let's see the Rarible workflow. First we upload the image, right? This is the image created by the tattoo artist. This is the one that will be minted as the NFT. Once the image is uploaded, we also collect some metadata of the artist. So whoever wants to buy this NFT has more information about the artist themselves. So you can see that we have title, artist name like Tom, and then of course description about the NFT itself. Then we have artist years of experience. There is a website URL for that artist, which is an ENS domain website. Now here, when we click on create, the NFT gets minted through the API that is being given to us by Rarible. So you can see that we have connected through MetaMask and it will be minted on the Rinkaby network. Once the NFT is minted, we can see that once the transaction is done, we'll see the transaction hash as well. You can see that it is successful and you can see that the tokens have been transferred and it has been created on the Rarible network, right? Now, this is how it will look on the, when you come to Rarible and see it, if you want to see on Rarible, this is how it will look. You can see the image as well as the details, right? The artist name, residence, the years of experience. Could you open this website URL as well? Details, website URL. Just copy paste this and put it in the browser, the website itself. Yeah, so you can see that this is an ENS link, right? So an artist profile in the form of subdomains will be residing on this website. So every tattoo has a story, some work by the artist, etc. Right? So you can see this is where we have plugged in the ENS part. Now, when we go back, let's go back to the portfolio page or yeah, we can also now, artists also have the option to mint using Mintbase. So we have minted some NFTs using Mintbase. We have created a store and minted NFTs. Now here you can see a couple of NFTs. If you click on the NFT, say Chaching, right? You can again here see the details, the same what we saw on the Rarible as well. So if you scroll down, yeah, here you can see the location, what is the price, the location of the artist, years of experience, their name, their website, how many tattoos have they created over a period of time, etc. Right? Just here. Okay, yeah. So you can see all the details as well. So these are the two ways the artist can come and mint the tokens, right? And it is important why we have added the metadata part is that because it is important to know, especially for redeemable tattoos, right? So if you scroll up, right? If you scroll up, you can see that this tattoo, especially, is a redeemable tattoo. That means they can take this design and redeem it with the artist once they buy this NFT, the user. We also have non-redeemable tattoos, wherein we can they can just see the tattoo design if they are interested to buy other NFTs of the artist, but they cannot buy that particular NFT because that is non-redeemable. So redeemable NFTs is one of the features that we have added to our pool of NFTs, which can be redeemed with a tattoo artist once they own that NFT. So this is our entire demo. We have used a couple of sponsor technologies. As you can see, we have used the Rarible APIs. We have used the lazy mint and transfer function, so we can perform lazy minting. We have used ENS, where we have created profiles for the artists using and connected it to ENS. We also have a DAO that is set up on Aragon, where we have some certain tokens called NAL tokens, NAAL, wherein the DAO is used for governance and people can vote on proposals on maybe different types of tattoos that they would like to see, etc. You can see the tokens that have been created on the DAO. We also minted on Mintbase, which is based on Near protocol. It is a cheaper version to ERC 721, and Near uses a standard called NEP4 for NFT. So we have used that as well for minting. And from a storage perspective, everything is stored on Pinata, that is IPFS. So we have used Pinata as well, integrated. So all the tattoos, flashes that are being created by the artists as well as their metadata is being pinned on Pinata. So thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. We are super excited. I'm Gyan. I'm one of the members from the technical team, and I would like my other team members also to quickly introduce themselves so we can close the tech demo.
Okay, hey everyone, I'm Rishabh, and I was working as a blockchain engineer at the team.
Awesome.
Hello, everyone. I'm Jean-Michel. I'm working from a front-end developer.
Awesome. Thanks, Jean-Michel. Just to close, this entire front end has been set up on React.js.